Welcome back, Marty here with another Visual Basic video. In this video, we'll be creating a simple web browser within Visual Basic. Remember to give this video a like and watch the other videos in this series to learn as much as you can. Let's create a Windows Forms project and give it a name. Change the title of the window. And now let's add in a pane to hold all of our navigation buttons. Let's dock the pane to the top as I've shown you in my previous video. Now add in a text box and dock it to the top. We will also need two buttons, one docked to the left and the other docked to the right. Adjust the buttons to however you want them to look. Change the text so we have one that says stop and one that says go. Now let's add in our web browser from the toolbox. Okay, let's add in some code for the go button. We will tell the web browser we just added to navigate to the URL that is entered in the text box. And we'll tell the stop button to stop the web browser from navigating. And that is it. Let's give it a go now and see how it works. And there you go, it works. You may get some errors such as the script errors I'm getting here and other things like that, as it does need a bit more work to make it function properly. I'm going to go further into making a more advanced Visual Basic web browser in a future video series, so make sure you subscribe to get notifications when that is released. Hopefully you learned something in this video. Remember to give it a like and check out the other videos in this series if you haven't already.